Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm giving you a complete overview of the Spider Elements plugin, a powerful add-on for Elementor that adds a whole new range of creative widgets to your WordPress website. With its extraordinary features, now you can do stuff once possible like professionals. Install Spider Elements from the WordPress repository and activate the Pro features for a premium experience. Next, from the Spider Elements dashboard, navigate to the Elements section where you can enable all available widgets to enhance your website's functionality, and also enable features to elevate your experience to the next level. Let's see some top add-ons offered by Spider Elements. Box Hover, a content element that changes appearance on mouse hover, adding interactivity in modern web design. Flip Box. It's a box that flips like a card when clicked, revealing different content on the back side. When someone clicks on the box, it flips horizontally or vertically to show the back side. Image Hover. It refers to a visual effect on an image when a user hovers their mouse over it, triggered by fade, slide, overlays, and animations. Marquee Slider. It is a scrolling widget that continuously moves content, like text, images, or logos across the screen. Testimonials. This widget is used to display customer feedback, reviews, or client quotes in a visually appealing and trustworthy format. Even there are so many pro features available, like Feature Box, Feature Badge, Smooth Animation, and many more to increase user engagement. There are many more amazing features available in Spider Elements. Visit the Spider Elements site and explore the incredible features to increase user engagement.